Hi, I'm Greg with Precision Replacement Parts. Today we're going to go through the process of using our VRK001 vent rivet kit. This is for various GM vent assemblies. It's for the pivot rivet, how to peen it over. The reason we're doing this today is because we get several calls through our tech line on how to complete this process. Let's get started. The VRK001 kit consists of two-step rivets and the peening tool. Now we'll take the step rivet and insert it from the top, which is the larger hole, into the pivot area. We will then take the vent, turn it upside down, and place it on a sturdy surface so the rivet is against this sturdy surface. We then take the peening tool, which has the center stud, and we put that into the base of the pivot rivet. We then peen over that rivet.